your plastic pick. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be taking a look at is how to separate our casing. And in most cases, no pun intended, in most cases what you'll see is a line running right through the middle of each phone. Okay, you'll see a line running through the middle of each phone. When I say middle, I mean right in the middle of that casing. And you can kind of see, it'll show you in most cases, in most phones, I'd say 95% of the phones, the back separates from the front casing. And what you have to do is learn how to separate that back. Now, what we've already done with this is we've already removed all of our screws from the back, all of the screws that we could get out. If we couldn't get the screws out, then what we did is just release them as much as we possibly can, and we'll try to get them out as we take the case apart. So what you want to do in this particular case is you always want to separate your case using plastic. Okay, plastic on plastic is very important, and the reason that is if you use something like a metal piece, which a lot of people do, what's going to happen is as you begin to try to separate this particular phone or any phone that has a plastic covering, you're going to do a lot of damage to your housing, right? And the last thing you want to do is damage the housing and give your customers back damaged housing. So what you want to do is you want to use a plastic, what we call this is a plastic pick tool. And we want to use this plastic pick tool